Password reset not sending email on Plum App Fix. You've hit forgot password on the Plum app, but the reset email never arrives. It's frustrating, but don't panic. This is a common issue with the few simple fixes that usually work instantly. First, check your spam or junk folder. Plum's reset emails are sent for no reply with plum.com, and because they contain secure links, email systems sometimes flag them as suspicious. Use your inbox search bar and look for Plum or password reset. Next, confirm you're entering the same email address used when you signed up. Many users register using Apple 8 or Google and later try to reset the password with a different email, which won't trigger a reset message. If you're sure you've got the right email with Plum, come to your safe sender or contacts list. Then resend the password reset email and give it a few minutes. Avoid pressing the reset button multiple times. That can delay the process or invalidate earlier links. If the issue persists, clear your browser cache or try the process on a different device. Sometimes old data interferes with the reset request. Also, check that your email inbox isn't full or that your provider isn't blocking messages with embedded links. Corporate or business email filters do this often. If you've done all this and still can't get the email, reach out to Plum's customer support directly. I'll verify your details and send a manual password reset link. The surprising truth is that most missing reset emails are caused by spam filters, typos, or multiple accounts. Once you fix those small issues, your Plum password reset email will appear, getting you back on track to manage your savings and investments effortlessly.